Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Thumbs up right away. Thumbs up for thanking you. Thumbs up for you thanking me. It's a thumbs up all the way. Okay, so let's make some cilantro, chili, and beans. Cilantro, chili, and beans. Okay, let's get started. Thank you for hanging around. Let's do it. I'm sorry. Okay, that's better. Alright, so let me introduce you to what I have. I have one medium cut up onion, and I have some olive oil in the frying pan. I'm going to put the onions in, let them cook up. Then I have a can of pink beans, black beans, Boston baked beans, and we're going to be using a half of this can of diced tomatoes, and the star of the day, cut up cilantro. I also have about a half a pound of ground beef, might be a little more, give or take. We're going to be using some no salt sassoon, basil, garlic paste, chili powder, paprika. Okay. Okay, I'm going to let the onions cook for about 3 minutes and I'll bring you back. Thank you. Okay, now that our onions have cooked halfway, let's add our ground beef. I'm going to add some olive oil. Okay, now I'm going to add my seasoning to the ground beef. I'm going to add some basil. Seasonings is your choice, how much or little you want to add. I think that might have been maybe a tablespoon, a heaping tablespoon. Okay, now I'm going to add some garlic paste. Garlic paste. I'm going to add a half of a heaping tablespoon. Alright, now I'm going to add some paprika. Some chili powder. Whatever amount you would like to add. That's probably about 3 tablespoons I added. Okay, I'm going to add the cilantro. Now I'm going to add a half of the can. This can is 14.5 ounces. I'm going to add half. Okay, that's half. Can of diced tomatoes. Okay, so now we're going to add the pink beans. I added the whole can of pink beans. And that is 15.5 ounces. And the whole can of baked beans. Taking the fat out, I don't want that in. And that is 1 pound. 16.0 ounces it says. And the black beans. Okay, I'm only going to add a half of the can of black beans. I think I have enough beans. And so the reason why I have the pink beans, the black beans, and the baked beans is to bring different flavors and colors. Now I'm going to add ketchup. I want about a cup. I think that's maybe a half a cup. I'm going to add some water to my container of ketchup because this is all I have left. Give that a good shake. Okay, about a cup of ketchup. And I want to add my sassoon. Oops. I'm adding 1 package of sassoon. No salt sassoon. I'm going to give this a good mix. And now I'm going to taste to see if I need more chili powder. Okay, let's see. I do. I need more chili powder. Oops. Okay, I think I sprinkled in another tablespoonful. Give or take. Okay, so I'm going to let the flavors blend together while I give you the word of the day. Okay, the word of the day. Have you ever heard the statement, where there's a will, there's a way? That's a real true statement. So, what that means to me is, if you're willing, then you'll find a way. If you are open to the idea of exploring, you'll find a way. If you have the physical strength, you'll find a way to make whatever you're trying to do happen. And I'm not saying it's going to be easy. I'm not saying doors are going to be wide open. But what I am saying is you can make it happen. Where there's a will, there's a way. That's a true statement. That's the word of the day. Okay, so I'm going to plate up the chili, and I have some cornbread already made. Actually, it's on the video previous to this one, and it is fried cornbread with glazed mango and broccoli cooked in it on top of the stove. Oh, you want to try that one? Okay, we're going to have that with the chili coming up. Okay, guys. Take a look at that. Huh? How about that? with the fried cornbread. Oh boy. Let me taste. Okay, here we go. I'll give this a taste. That's hot. Cornbread. Mmm. Oh wow. That fried cornbread mixed with this chili. Mmm. So good. And the cornbread has the mango and broccoli in it, so you have your whole meal right here. Oh yeah, you're gonna enjoy that. Good, good, good. So good. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Thanks for hanging around.